Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer easily. First, gather your basic brewing equipment, including a large pot, a fermenter, and an airlock. Next, choose a quality beer kit that contains malt extract, hops, and yeast. Remember, proper sanitation is crucial for good beer, so clean and sanitize everything that will touch your brew. Now let's brew. Begin by boiling your malt extract and hops as directed by your kit. After boiling, quickly cool the wort to the recommended temperature, usually around 70 degrees Fahrenheit. This rapid cooling helps prevent off flavors. Carefully transfer the cooled wort into your clean and sanitized fermenter. Once the wort is in the fermenter, pitch your yeast and seal it with an airlock. Let it ferment for about 1 to 2 weeks, maintaining a stable temperature, typically between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. After fermentation, it's time to bottle. Sanitize your bottles and add a small amount of priming sugar to each. Carefully siphon the fermented beer into your prepared bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Cap them tightly and store them in a cool, dark place for 2 to 3 weeks for carbonation. This conditioning period allows the beer to develop its full flavor. Finally, chill your bottles and enjoy the fruits of your labor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.